Hello students, today's topic is Floyd's algorithm. Floyd's algorithm is used to solve all pairs shortest path problem. It computes the shortest path between every pair of vertices of the given graph. Algorithm Floyd, it consists of two-dimensional array as a parameter, d equal to w, and it consists of three for loops. D of ij equal to minimum of d of ij that is the existing distance, comma d of ik plus d of kj that is the new distance. In that, which one is minimum? Okay, that will be stored inside d of ij, and finally it returns the value d. Apply Floyd's algorithm to compute all pairs shortest path for the following graph. Okay, the given graph, it consists of 4 vertices and 5 edges. Okay, to fill the matrix values, you have to consider these points. For vertices having a direct edge between them, then the distance value equal to weight of that edge. For diagonal elements representing self loops, it indicates A to A, B to B, C to C, D to D. Self loops, the distance value equal to 0. For vertices having no direct edge between them, then distance value is infinity. Okay, A to A, that is a self loop, so value 0. A to B, there is no edge from vertex A to vertex B, so value infinity. A to C, okay, A to C, there is a direct edge from A to C, so the value 3. A to D, there is no direct edge from A to D, vertex A to vertex D, so value is infinity. Next, B to A, there is a direct edge, so the value 2. B to B, it is a self loop 0. B to C, there is no direct edge, so the value infinity. B to D, there is no direct edge from vertex B to vertex D, so the value infinity. And similarly, you have to fill the third row and the fourth row. C to A, there is no direct edge, infinity. C to B, there is a direct edge, 7. C to C, self loop 0. C to D, there is an edge, direct edge, and edge weight is 1. D to A, there is a direct edge, 6. C to B, D to B, there is no direct edge, so the value infinity. D to C, there is no direct edge, so the value infinity. D to D, it's a self loop, so value 0. Equation to calculate minimum distance between two vertices. I comma j equal to minimum of I comma j comma I comma k plus k comma j. I to j, that is the existing distance, comma, and you are calculating the new edge distance with the help of vertex k, and in that, which one is minimum, that will be stored inside I comma j. Okay, in the first column and first row, select cell with finite value, finite and non-zero. Okay, in the first column and first row, you have to select the values which is finite and non-zero. Okay, you not have to select the value 0 and infinite. Okay, in the column side, there are two cells with a value finite and non-zero. Okay, b comma a equal to 2 and d comma a equal to 6. And the row side, in the row it consists of only one value which is finite and non-zero, that is the cell position is a comma c equal to 3. Okay, next you have to select the first column value and the row value, that is b comma a equal to and a comma c equal to 3. Okay, if there is a edge from b to a and there is edge from a to c, it indicates there is edge from b to c. So b comma c equal to minimum of b comma c comma b comma a plus a comma c. Okay, minimum of b comma c. Okay, observe the matrix. B comma c value is infinity. Minimum of b comma c value is infinity, comma b to a is 2 plus a to c is 3. 2 plus 3, 5. Okay, minimum of infinity 5. So bc value is 5. Minimum value is 5. Next, column second value, dA equal to 6 and AC equal to 3. Okay, it indicates there is an edge from D to A and there is an edge from A to C. So, okay, you can find the minimum distance from D to C. D comma C equal to minimum of D comma C comma D comma A plus A comma C. Okay, the matrix D to C value infinity, minimum of infinity, comma, and the new edge distance is 6 plus 3. Okay, minimum of infinity and 9, minimum value is 9. So the distance from D to C value is 9. Okay, that one you have to update in the matrix. Okay, initially b to c value is infinity, infinity replaced by the value 5. And next d to c value, okay, now in the matrix the d to c value is infinity, infinity replaced by the value 9. Okay, the next iteration you have to select the second column and the second row, and in the second column and the second row, okay, there we have to select the value which is finite and non-zero, and the column there is only one cell with the value which is finite and non-zero, that is 7, and the cell position is c comma b, and the row there are two cells with the value finite and non-zero, and the positions are b comma a equal to and b comma c equal to 5. Okay, select the column value and the first row value, cb equal to 7 and ba equal to 2. Find the distance for c comma a equal to minimum of c comma a comma c comma b plus b comma a. Minimum of c to a. Okay, observe the matrix. C to a value is infinity, comma cb value is 7, 7 plus, and ba value 2, 7 plus 2, 9. Minimum of infinity comma 9. So the minimum value is 9. Okay, next column first value cb equal to 7 and bc equal to 5. C comma c equal to minimum of c comma c comma c to b plus b to c. Minimum of c comma c value in the matrix c to c value is 0, comma c to b value 7 plus b to c value 5, 7 plus 5, 12. Okay, minimum of 0 comma 12, the minimum value is 0. Okay, next in the matrix we have to update the new values. Okay, c to a. Okay, in the matrix c to a value is infinity, infinity replaced by 9. Next c to c value is 0. Okay, 0 replaced by 0. Okay, next in the third iteration, okay, you have to select the third column and third row. Okay, in third column and the third row, you have to select cell with value finite and non-zero. Okay, in the column side, you hang the value A to C3, B to C5, D to C9, and the row side, you hang the value C to A9, C to B7, C to D1. Okay, first you have to select the first column value and the first row value, that is A to C equal to 3 and C to A equal to 9. Okay, then it indicates A to C there is an edge and C to A there is an edge, so there exists a path between A to A. A to A equal to minimum of A comma A comma C plus C comma C. Minimum of 0 comma 3 plus 9, 12. Okay, minimum of 0 comma 12, A to A value is 0. Okay, next you have to apply the column first value and the row second value, that is A comma B. Okay, and you have to apply the equation and you have to find out the minimum value. So A to B minimum value is 10. Okay, next, okay, you have to apply the column first value and the row last value, A to C equal to 3 and CD equal to 1. Okay, A comma D equal to minimum of A comma D comma A comma C plus C comma D. Okay, the matrix A to D value is infinity, comma A to C value 3 and plus C to D value 1. Okay, and in the infinity and the 4, the minimum value is 4, A to D value equal to 4. Okay, next you have to select the in the column second value and the row first value, B to C equal to 5 and C to A equal to 9. Okay, you have to find out the distance for B to A and you have to write the equation and you have to substitute the values. Okay, the minimum value is 2, B to A 2. Okay, next you have to select the column second value and the row second value. Column second value is B to C equal to 5 and row second value is C to B equal to 7. And you have to find out the path between B to B. Okay, you have to write out. Okay, you have to write the equation and you have to substitute the values. Okay, B to B value is 0. Okay, next column second value and the row last value. Okay, column second value is B to C equal to 5 and row last value is C to D equal to 1. Okay, you have to find out the new distance for B to D. Okay, and you have to write the equation and you have to substitute the value. So the minimum value for B to D is 6. Okay, next column last value and the row first value. Column last value is D comma C equal to 9 and C comma A equal to 9. Okay, there is a edge from D to C and there is a edge from C to A. So you can find out the distance between D to A. Okay, D comma A equal to minimum of D comma A comma D comma C plus C comma A. Okay, and you have to substitute the values. Okay, D comma A minimum value is 6. Okay, next column last value row second value, D comma C equal to 9 and C comma B equal to 7. Okay, you have to find the shortest path between D to B. Okay, you have to write the equation and you have to substitute the values. So D comma B value equal to 16. Okay, next you have to compute D comma C equal to 9, that is the column last value, and C comma D equal to 1, that is the row last value. Okay, you have to find out the shortest path between D comma D. Okay, you have to write the equation and you have to substitute the values. Okay, we got D comma D equal to 0. Okay, in the third column and third row, okay, we got 9 new values and all those values you have to update in the matrix. Okay, A to A 0, already in the matrix A to A value is 0 and A to B value is 10. Okay, in the matrix A to B value is infinity, infinity replaced by 10. Next, A to D, new value A to D is 4. Okay, in the matrix A to D value is infinity, infinity replaced by 4. Next, B comma A is 2. Okay, in the matrix already we are having the shortest distance. B comma B is 0. B comma D equal to 6. Okay, in the matrix B comma D value is infinity. Okay, that infinity value replaced by 6. Okay, next D comma A equal to 6. Okay, in the matrix already we are having the shortest distance. D comma B value equal to 16 and in the matrix we are having the distance is D comma B is infinity, infinity replaced by 16 and D comma D equal to 0, already in the matrix we are having the shortest distance. Okay, and I am calling this matrix as a D of 3. Okay, next last iteration. Okay, you have to select the last column and the last row. Okay, the last column and the last row, that is the fourth column and the fourth row, you have to select the cell width that is finite and non-zero. Okay, in the column side we have the values A to D equal to 4, B to D equal to 6 and C to D equal to 1. And the row side we have the value D comma A equal to 6, D comma B equal to 16 and D comma C equal to 19. Okay, first you have to select the first column value and the first row value, that is A comma D equal to 4 and D comma A equal to 6. Okay, you have to write the equation and you have to substitute the values and we got the shortest distance from A to A is 0. Okay, next you have to select the column first value and the row second value. A comma D equal to 4 and D comma B equal to 16. Okay, you have to find the shortest distance between vertex A to B, A comma B, and you have to write the equation and you have to substitute the value. After substituting the values, the shortest distance is A comma B equal to 10. Okay, next column first value and the row last value. A comma D equal to 4 and D comma C equal to 9. The shortest distance between A to C is 3. Okay, next you have to select the column second value, row first value. B comma D equal to 6 and D comma A equal to 6. Okay, you have to find out the shortest distance between B to A. Okay, the shortest distance between B to A is 2. Next, row second value, column second value and row second value. B comma D equal to 6 and D comma B equal to 16. Okay, now we have to compute the shortest distance between B to B. Okay, the shortest distance between B to B is 0. Okay, next row second value, column second value and row last value. B comma D equal to 6 and D comma C equal to 5. Okay, you have to find out the shortest distance between B to C. So the shortest distance between B to C is 5. Okay, next column last value, row first value. C comma D equal to 1 and D comma A equal to 6. Okay, you have to find out the shortest distance between C to A, that is minimum of C to A comma C comma D plus D comma A. Okay, the matrix C to A value is 9 and the new added distance is 1 plus 6. Okay, minimum of 9 comma 7, the minimum value is 7. Okay, next you have to select the column last value and the row second value. C comma D equal to 1 and D comma B equal to 16. The shortest distance between C to B is 7. Okay, last C comma D equal to 1 and D comma C equal to 9. Okay, you have to find out the shortest distance between C to C. Okay, after substituting the values in the equation, okay, the C to C value is 0. Okay, the last column and the last row, okay, we got these values and all those values you have to update in the matrix. First A to A is 0. Okay, already in the matrix A to A is 0. A to B is 10. Okay, already in the matrix A to B value is 10. A to C value 3, B to A value 2, B to B value 0, B to C value 5, C to A. Okay, previously in the matrix the C to A value is 9, 9 replaced by 7, and C to B 7, C to C 0. Okay, these are already the shortest distance values already in the matrix. Okay, now for the given graph, okay, this is the all pair shortest path we got. From the A to A, the vertex A to A is 0. A to B, the shortest distance between vertex A to vertex B is 10, that is A to C, C to B, 3 plus 7, 10. And A to C, the vertex A to vertex C, the shortest distance is 3. A to D, that is 4, 3 plus 1, 4. A to C 3, C to D 1, 3 plus 1, 4. Next, B to A, the shortest distance between B to A is 2, B to B is 0, B to C 5. Okay, we can reach the vertex C with the help of vertex A. B to A is 2, 2 plus 3, 5. And B to D is 6, that is 2 plus 3 plus 1. B to A to C, C to D, 2 plus 3 plus 1. Okay, like this we can find out the shortest distance between, okay, all the vertices. Okay, next we can see the time complexity. Okay, in the algorithm it consists of 3 for loops. Okay, first I have to apply the equation upper bound minus lower bound plus 1. Upper bound is n minus lower bound is 1, n minus 1 plus 1. Okay, minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled, the remaining value is n. Okay, we can take n outside. Again apply the upper bound minus lower bound plus 1, n minus 1 plus 1. Okay, minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled, remaining term is n. And if you take the n outside, n into n, n square, and the remaining equation is summation of k equal to 1 to n, 1. Next apply the upper bound minus lower bound plus 1, n minus 1 plus 1. Okay, the remaining term is n, n into n, n square into n is n cube. Okay, the time complexity of Floyd's algorithm is theta of n cube. Practice question 1. Apply Floyd's algorithm to compute all pair shortest path for the following graph. Okay, students, solve this problem and submit your answer in Google Classroom. Practice question 2. Apply Floyd's algorithm to compute all pair shortest path for the following graph. Students, solve this problem and submit your answer in Google Classroom. Students, if you understand the Floyd's concept, okay, then like and share the video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for next notification. Thank you.